This is the Materials tab. This is where you can go to see all the material estimated in the selected project. You'll be able to sort any of the column headers you see at the top of the screen. The currently sorted column is the cost code column. You'll see that here by the triangle. You can sort in ascending or descending order by clicking the column header twice. On this tab, you'll be able to see all the material estimated. You'll be able to see the size and style selections and update or change those. You can see the quantity of material estimated, the material price, the total price, the waste factor calculated, and the total units estimated. On the last column, you'll see a price updated field. This will show you if you're working with current pricing or not. You can filter this information by using the drop-down menus at the top of your screen. You'll be able to sort by section, area, cost code, type, or even supplier. For example, if I would like to see the acoustical tile estimated for floor 2, I'll choose floor 2 from my area drop-down and acoustical tile from my cost code drop-down. Now, quantities and total price I'm seeing here will be specific for the second floor. You also have the ability to update your sizes and styles here. So for example, you'll see 4 different sizes of X58 drywall. If I decide I'd like to order all 4x10 sheets, I can change my drop-down, and that line item got rolled up into one line item here. I'll do the same for my 4x9 sheets. That combined my total drywall for 4x10 sheets, not only here on the Materials tab, but as well as in each condition where I had used that material. At the top of the screen, next to the drop-down filters, you'll see 2 checkboxes. If you check View Conditions in Use, and then highlight an item, all conditions where that item is in use will be listed down below. This is very useful because you're able to open the condition right from here without having to leave this tab. So for example, my 4x10 sheets are used in all the conditions listed down below here. If I want to open one of these, I can simply double-click and it will open up the actual condition detail where that material exists. This tab is also where you will create your e-quotes, but that will be shown in a separate video. Even without using e-quote here, you will have the ability to update your material price. Simply click inside the material price field and type in your new price. When you press enter, the program will prompt you and ask if you'd like to update the master material price. If you say no, then the price is only updated in this one bid. If you say yes, the price is updated in this bid and for future bids. Now let's take a look at the right-click options. You'll have the ability to modify an item from here, or simply double-click an item to open up its detail. You can increase or decrease your unit cost by percentage. This happens to the materials shown on this tab when you click Update Unit Cost. For example, if I wanted to increase my material cost for metal framing, I could filter this list by cost code to metal framing. Now when I right-click and update unit cost, I will be increasing or decreasing price by a percentage for metal framing only. In this case, I'm going to increase my price by 15% and click OK. Again, I'm prompted, do you want to update the master material price? If I say yes, I'm changing it for this job and future jobs. Now you'll see my price has just been updated by 15%. That occurred only on metal framing. Likewise, when you right-click and choose to round all to the nearest container, it rounds only items that are shown in the list at that time. So again, if you use a filter, you will only be rounding items that are in the filter. Rounding all to the nearest container automatically rounds your container counts. In this case, it will round all items that have 0% waste to the next container. Any item that is less than 1 whole container gets rounded to 1. So for example here, 0.73 cartons would be rounded to 1. But any item that has a waste factor already included in it will round down if it can round down and leave waste at the same time. So in this example, if I were to round quantities, this will most likely round down to 553 sheets as long as waste is still included. Last, let's discuss material swapping. In this case, I have estimated a 1-inch shaft liner into my bid. Now I see I need to actually swap that out with a glass mat shaft liner. I can simply right-click on the material here and choose Replace Material Where in Use. This notice is showing me that only items that match the same methods I have on each of these tabs will be offered in the material list. I'll click Continue, and here I have a glass mat shaft liner I can select and add into this bid. When I click Select, the program prompts me saying that the selected item does not have a matching size. That means that currently in my bid I have a 2x14 shaft wall liner. The new glass mat shaft liner does not come in that size, or at least is not part of my database at this point. The program then asks, do you want to add the new size and replace the item? So if I say yes, the 2x14 size is added to the glass mat, and the glass mat has replaced the original shaft liner. This happens throughout your bid, so in this case, all 4 conditions you see down below now have a glass mat shaft wall liner. For more information, contact OnCenter Software today.